Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Thursday, 26 May 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold, without VAT price is 223.19 and with VAT is 256.67. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 204.89 and with VAT is 235.62. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 195.30 and with VAT is 224.60. For 18 carats gold, without VAT price for 1 gram is 167.40 and with VAT is 192.51. For 14 carats gold, without VAT price for 1 gram is 130.57 and with VAT is 150.16. For 10 carats gold, without VAT price for 1 gram is 93.07 and with VAT is 107.03. For 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 55.80 and with VAT is 64.17. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.